So what up, y'all? I am back. Haven't been putting out too many drone videos, so here's one. This is a place called Shafbrucke, like Sheep's Bridge in Brandenburg. I now live in Brandenburg. I no longer live in Saarland. That's us over there. And yeah, we were trying to get to a castle. Castles are turning out to be a real problem out here in like this entire region of Germany. They're never where they're supposed to be. Like, you never find the castle, and you end up driving around for hours for nothing. So I started flying around here. This is a playground, and I just went. This is considered to be some sort of site, apparently. You know, there's a place to see. It's that little camera thing on Google Maps. Came over here, and it's literally just. I literally called it a whack ass bridge, and so there's the whack ass bridge. We're gonna fly under it. I don't know why it's a tourist attraction. I mean, whatever. So anyway, this is like a boatway for what are those things called? Those, you know, those Dutch barges. And as you can see, it's probably connected to the Spree, which goes into Berlin. It's pretty, you know, extensive and large river. I stopped here like this because I got a notification saying this is a no-fly zone. Then I ignored it and I started flying forward. And then at the last minute, I had to change heart and I turned around really hard like that. And I was like, let me just go back because I think it's a nature preserve. This entire area is filled with cranes. You're about to see one here. I'm going to fly a kind of low, and later on I'm going to chase one around. It's probably the same one. And then when I slow down here, like right here, you see some cranes on the right, and then one takes off and the other one takes off, and then he's like, yo, nah, get away from me. So I keep flying. All in all, it's a very pretty area. I think the bridge is kind of whack. I don't know why it's a sightseeing thing. I'll say that again. It's just, I mean, look at it. It's regular. It's basic. It's like, yo, this thing would be like ignored if it was on Tinder. I just don't know why that bridge is like supposed to be some sort of sightseeing thing. But all in all, the area is absolutely gorgeous. It's amazing, as you can see. Trees as far as the eye can see. Now, here's the crazy thing about most of the forests out in this area, including these ones you're looking at. These are all man-planted forests. I know you're like, yo, dude, you full of it. I'm telling you, here's the crane I'm chasing. Look, I'm like, yo, come here, homie. And I start chasing him down. This dude could juke. Watch him. He could play football and be like a cornerback. This guy, he got some moves. Every time I chase, look how he cut back like that. I was like, yo, that's when I gave up. I was like, okay, man. I was like, you got me, homie. So anyway, these forests out here are all like planted. I know it seems unbelievable looking at it, but when you drive through those forests and when you walk through the forests, you literally see how they're planted in rows, perfect rows. Amazing. So basically, it's like a farmer's field, but for wood, you know. So yeah, enjoy the sights. There wasn't a lot of action here. I just wanted to get in the air. I wanted to like go see these castles and whatnot, you know, and get back in the air. But I'm telling you, man, just this whole Eastern Europe part thing with the castles are whack. And then here I almost actually hit the tree. I wasn't paying attention. You know, I was just flying, like looking, and in the goggles, everything was kind of wonky dark. I mean, this video looks really nice compared to what I was seeing in the goggles. And then I was like, I don't think I could go through those trees, and I tried to take off there. But, you know, I felt really, you know, I was feeling myself flying under this whack ass bridge. So anyway, beautiful area in general, but not a lot to see in terms of a drone. I mean, this would have been something more appropriate for like the Mavic. I'm hoping to get a Mavic 3 and the Skydio 3. I just got the Skydio 2, so I'm probably just going to put everything on eBay and pick up, you know, these new drones. This would have been something that would have been better, you know, suited for my Mavic 2 Pro. Got some Skydio video I'll put up. But yeah, enjoy it. I just wanted to make a video here of like, you know, the trees as far as the eye can see. You know, it's just crazy. Anyway, guys, enjoy.